Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a skincare product that caught my attention, the Pevonia Stem Cells Serum. This is a 1-ounce facial serum designed for all skin types, and its main goal is to accelerate skin repair, target those stubborn aging signs, and energize your skin cells. It's got this unique stem shell scent that's quite subtle and fresh, so if you're sensitive to fragrance, it's good to know it's not overpowering. Now, Pevonia is known for its scientific approach to skincare, and this serum claims to protect and revitalize your skin at a cellular level, which sounds promising, especially if you're looking for something to boost your anti-aging routine. Using it daily was pretty straightforward. The serum's texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky residue, which I really appreciate because it layers well under makeup or heavier creams. I added it into my morning routine after cleansing and before moisturizing. Over a couple of weeks, I noticed my skin felt smoother and appeared more radiant. The fine lines around my eyes seemed less pronounced, which is a good sign that it's working on those aging markers. The serum didn't irritate my skin, which is a win for a product packed with active ingredients. One thing I want to highlight, while it definitely feels hydrating and rejuvenating, it's not an overnight miracle worker. You'll want to use this consistently for best results. No quick fixes here. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, it's formulated for all skin types, which makes it versatile. The lightweight texture and gentle fragrance make it easy to incorporate daily, and the skin feels noticeably smoother with continued use. On the downside, the price point is on the higher end for a 1-ounce serum, and while it improves skin texture and radiance, it won't replace more intensive treatments if you're dealing with deeper wrinkles or severe skin damage. If you're comparing this serum to others in the anti-aging category, Pevonia holds its ground with a solid blend of cell-protecting ingredients, but brands like SkinCeuticals or Drunk Elephant might offer stronger formulations targeting specific concerns, albeit sometimes at even higher prices. So it really comes down to what you want to prioritize: gentle daily repair or more aggressive anti-aging. In terms of packaging, the serum comes in a sturdy glass bottle with a dropper that dispenses the perfect amount. No product waste, which I always appreciate. The design feels luxe but functional, which aligns well with Pevonia's reputation for quality. I haven't had to interact with Pevonia's customer service personally, but the brand generally has a good reputation for responsiveness and support, which is reassuring if you have questions or concerns down the line. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you might want to explore serums with peptides and antioxidants from brands like The Ordinary or Paula's Choice. They offer effective ingredients for less, but might lack some of the targeted stem cell technology Pevonia promotes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, Pevonia Stem Cells Serum is a thoughtfully formulated, gentle serum that suits all skin types and offers gradual improvements in skin texture and radiance. It's best for those who want to maintain youthful skin with a scientifically driven product, but are okay with consistent, long-term use rather than instant results. If you have sensitive or normal skin and want to invest in a quality anti-aging serum, this could be a worthy addition to your routine. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. If you've tried the Pevonia Stem Cells Serum already, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.